Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Port Moody local and long-distance movers near me. Do you need a cheap Port Moody moving company to help with your local or long-distance move? 3 Movers offers affordable prices and dependable moving services. Our team will make sure you get moved in the most efficient way possible. Getting the right options for your specific long-distance move is important. We offer all the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're trying to plan a long-distance move, we have the right options for you. Our team of movers will take care of your relocating in a much easier way. You don't have to be stressed out when you move with us. If you're ready to handle a local move, hiring a Canada moving company might be the right choice. You have a ton of hard work and heavy lifting ahead of you to move. However, with the right local movers, it becomes easier. 3 Movers offers the best team for your local move. We offer all the right services to make your move streamlined. If you want to settle in faster, we have the right options for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Port Moody moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.